In this session, we will learn how to use the reporting tools. Within the Reports tab, the user may find the Reprint and Transaction features. Reprint. Reprint is CenPOS's master reporting tool and will show all transaction attempts whether they were approved or not. This feature will allow the user to review previous transactions, pull up receipts, and print or email them as necessary. To use Reprint, the user must select a date range under Data Series. If necessary, the drop-down menus may be used to filter more specifically. Voided transactions or partial reversals may be found under Transaction Type. Click Submit to pull the transactions from the database and retrieve the result. The dynamic search field may be used to filter through the transactions, typing in the last 4 digits, invoice number, customer name, or any other information tied to the transaction. Once the data shows, the user must double-click the transaction to pull up the stored receipt, or select it and click on the Reprint button on the bottom right-hand corner. The stored receipt can be printed or emailed. CenPOS hosts these receipts for up to 7 years. The user may print the transactions shown, copy it onto a spreadsheet program, or control which columns of the data appear by clicking the respective icon. Transactions. The Transactions report will display all approved credit card and check transactions. This report is useful for reconciliation or end-of-day reporting. To use transactions, the user must select a date range under Data Series. If necessary, the drop-down menus may be used to filter more specifically. Click Submit to pull the transactions from the database and retrieve the results. The grand total will show on the bottom right-hand corner based on the selected data series. Right above, it'll show the funds broken down by card type. Transactions also has 2 graphs, one showing the funds processed by user, and the other graph shows the funds processed for specific card types. Here, the user has the same options as in Reprint in regards to exporting transactions and customizing the fields. After retrieving the data, the user may click the Filters Cashier button. A window with all of the users will appear. Here, the arrows may be used to pick and choose which users you want to filter for the data shown. Once you have made your selection, you may close the window and the report will refresh to show only the data for the users you chose. Finally, a detailed or summary report can be printed by using the icons on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen.